Theodori welcomes you. I am Raviraj. Now I am at Jonnada. Sri Kasi Vishwanatha Swami Temple. It is also called as Dakshin Kasi. Jonnada is an adjacent village to Godavari. Opposite side it is Rawalpalam. This is highway and there is Goshala. It is adjacent to Godavari. This is beautiful Godavari. This is Jalakanya statue. In the year 1991, I was stayed at Godavarkani for 15 days. During those times, almost 7 to 8 times in the evenings. I always went to video. Okay, my పేరు అక్కడ చెప్తానండి. నా పేరు రవి. ఆ గుడి ఇది ఒకళ్ళేనా చూసేది? నరశ్రేష్ఠుడైన సేవ్యుడు, విక్రమవంతుడైన యుధామన్యుడు, పరాక్రమవంతుడు అభిమన్యుడు, ద్రౌపదీ పుత్రులను కలరు. మహారథులైన వీరందరూ శౌర్యమున భీమార్జున. The year 1991. The year 1991, I was at Godavarkani for 15 days. During those times, almost 7 to 8 days. In the evenings, I always went to the Godavari and sat on the river. So Godavari is always Godavari. So enjoy the beauty of Godavari. During the year 1991, I was at Godavarkani. During those days, I usually go to the Godavari in the evenings and sat on the river bank. During that time, there is no bridge at that place. Now bridge was constructed. Another bridge was constructed. Now it is a 4-lane road. Here at Jonnada also, we are having national highway. This national highway bridges, another bridge was constructed during 4-lane highway during the period of A.B. Vajpayee as Prime Minister. And during Pushkarams and Vasishtha Godavari on this highway. I took a Pushkar Snanam. Here it is a smashanam, that means burial ground. This is an electronic burial ground, not electric, ordinary burial ground. And here adjacent to this, there is a temple. In South India, so many temples are called as Dakshin Kasi temple. Here it was also named as Dakshin Kasi temple. Kasi is famous for God Shiva, so that each and every Shiva temple is called as Dakshin Kasi. See it in close up. This is Shiva temple, Visveswar Swami Vari temple, Sri Visveswar Swami Devasthanam, Jonnada, adjacent to National Highway. Here this is the river Godavari. Opposite side it is Ravulapalam town. During the period of 1990, for 15 days I was stayed at Godavarkani. During that time, for 7 to 8 days in the evenings, I usually go to the Godavari river and sat on the banks of the river. It is summer time. So many people crossed that river from Bellampalli and Mancheriala side to Godavarkani by walking in the water itself also. So during summer it is little water. There is heavy rain and tufan was, one cyclone was occurred during that period. That cyclone, water level was increased. Then people stopped to walk the Godavari. Now also I am on river banks of Godavari. On the other, this is Vasishtha. This is Gautami Godavari. Other side it is Vasishtha Godavari. During last Pushkarams or Pushkaralu or Pushkarani, I took a Pushkara Snanam or Pushkar bath in that other side of Godavari on this adjacent to National Highway. So in the next coming Pushkarams, certainly I have to take bath here at this place, in addition to so many places. ఇక్కడ ఈ ట్యాచ్డ్ బెంచ్ ఉంది గోదావరి గట్టు మీద, పక్కన చెట్టు ఉంది. సో ఈ వీడియో చూసే తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, ఒక తెలుగు పాఠం చెప్తాను. గోదావరి గట్టు ఉంది, గట్టు మీద చెట్టు ఉంది, చెట్టు కొమ్మన పెట్టు ఉంది, పెట్టపొట్టలో రెట్ట ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే పెట్టపొట్టలో రెట్ట ఉందన్న విషయం అందరికీ తెలుసు, కానీ పెట్ట మనసులో ఏముందో ఎవరికీ తెలీదు. అందువల్ల పెట్టపొట్టలో రెట్ట ఉంది. I'm Raviraj from Taladori. Thank you for watching this video.